In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then you need to tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords to edit, enter your screen lock, and after tapping on Edit button, change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!